Garmin QuickFit bands are super easy to switch, and it is the best way to make your watch look more attractive. We will explain how to replace the QuickFit bands of your compatible Garmin smartwatch. QuickFit has 3 different sizes: 20, 22, and 26 mm. Please check the size of your watch bands on Garmin homepage before purchasing new QuickFit bands. The compatible watches list for each QuickFit band size can be accessed through the URLs in the description of this video. You will need to prepare a pair of new QuickFit bands, your Garmin watch, and just 1 minute. In this video, we will demonstrate how to replace the 26 mm watch bands of a Fenix 6X Pro Solar. Please press the clip to release it. The band is released. Align the new band with the watch. Press the band into place. That's it. It's very easy to switch and always secure. No tools are required. You can also choose leather, metal, or silicone bands to change your watch's look and feel in a snap. Thanks for watching. For more details, watch another related video or go to the Garmin support website.